Today's removal of the rear door of my 1964 Land Rover Series 2A is similar but different to removing the side doors. For this step, I used the following tools. Randy's spare tire that is connected to the rear door is removed by extracting the three 15/16 nuts securing the tire in place. I started by opening the rear door and using a pair of locking pliers from beneath the tub and a 10mm ratcheting spanner above. I removed the bolt, washer, and nut securing the door check strap to the tub floor. The rear door is held on by two hinges, one that connects the door to the rear window panel and another that connects the door to the tub wall. Unlike the side doors, the rear door hinges are bolt and nut combinations. Using a 13mm socket and ratchet at the lower hinge and a pair of locking pliers attached to the nuts under the tub, loosen the two hinge bolts until the nuts separate and the locking pliers fall away. Keep the two bolts in place. For the door's upper hinge, the nuts are inside the tub area, but the process is the same, loosening the bolts until the locking pliers fall away. Keep the bolts in place. Finally, lift away the rear door, being careful to pull the loosened bolts out completely before lowering the door to the floor. 20 minutes and done.